like so. Then insert and turn the electrical control key into the on position so that the electric current is live, and insert the key. Increase some revs, pull the choke, turn the key. The right joystick controls the bucket. Pull the joystick to the right to lift the bucket, and move the joystick to the right to lower the bucket. If you pull it back, the bucket will raise. Push it forward to tilt down. The attachment, so in this case 4-in-1 bucket, controlled by the center lever. Forward, rearward, left and right movement of the machine, as our operator will now demonstrate. If you have any questions regarding the